Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jaritza, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm for the month of February. So if you would like to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. And the one that I got is the Boxycharm Premium. I do pay $35 a month, and I think I get like 6 to 7 full-size products. It always comes with a theme card, and it says Boxycharm XOXO. So that's the theme of the month. And on the back, it tells you the products that you're going to be getting. First product here, and it is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, the Odaciate Blue Aura Cleansing Water. And the value for this is $39. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. Specially formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they take their toll. Really interesting. And it's also vegan and GMO free. It is a Tarte double take eyeliner. The retail value is $24. It says get the perfect win every time these gel and liquid partners in line. The best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size, made just for charmers, and it's not for retail sale. Oh, interesting. So wow, this is a decent size. So it has the both sides. It has this side and then the other side, and then we're gonna try them out. I'll try them out right here. So this is the eyeliner. This is the other one. Oh my god, I did it too hard and it broke. Oops. Nice. Kinda like it. So here we have the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and it is $29. But look at these colors. Oh no, this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. And if you guys can see, wow, they're really beautiful. I think I'm definitely gonna be using this palette. So here we have the KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara. Retail for $24. It says this extreme volume vegan mascara is powered by plant-based fats. The long wear mascara has a smooth texture that glides onto lashes for a big blown out volume, delivering an eye-opening effect that lasts all day without smudging. In high pigment trooper black packaging, and it's pretty big. That's how it looks. I just hope that it's a good one. Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and it retails for $33. And it does say that essential oil of sweet orange and coconut gives this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even the skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, super lips. And I'm actually gonna try this. Smells so good, and it does leave your lips really soft. Wow. All right. Next we have the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. It retails for $65. This super cooling gel mask glides into the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. Oh, okay. And it says it's the hydrating sleep mask for thirsty skin. And it smells so good. I cannot wait to try this. And so that was the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will see you on my next one.